Yay! Welcome to this awesome unboxing. The first thing we open up here is the beautiful pink box, and we've got a number of smaller boxes inside this box. The first one is the Break Your Heart, then the Acrylograph box. We have the keychain box, we have a little envelope, and then we have the notebook box. That's pretty cool because it's a new color design that we're really excited about. Now, let's get started with actually taking the things outside of the box. I know the first thing you want to see is the notebook, and this one has a beautiful ice cream cone with florals in the center. It's a nice dark bright pink color, and it's really beautiful. Let's put that back in the box while we open everything else up. The next thing we open up are the little cards that you can send to others or share with family and friends. They're really cute, and you can affix little stamps on them, and you can even send them in the post. There are 4 in total, and you can color them in or use your acrylographs to do that. But we are also selling a set of pencils with this beautiful box that you can combine together in a bundle. They go so beautifully together and are made just for that purpose, to color those gorgeous little cards in that you can share. Right, what is next? Next, we have the Acrylograph pens. In this set, we've got 3 pens that have come from previous collections, and we've got 2 brand new pens. You can see the colors here are absolutely stunning, and we've decided to showcase those more on our Instagram. So go check us out on Instagram to see those ways that we've used the pens on the cards. Next up is our beautiful keychains, and there are 2 in here, one for you to keep or one for you to give away, or for you to keep both of them. There's this adorable little ice cream truck, and it is so cute. And then underneath that, we have our adorable ice cream cone that matches the ice cream cone on the front of the notebook. All right, next up, we have got the popper box. Now inside here you have got a beautiful popper that opens up, and you'll see that there is a little card to tell you how to use the popper. The card is going to explain that you can pull it and break it and smash it, and a ton of confetti will come out of your popper. Now, in case you are wondering, there is a little flap at the bottom, and you can pull and tug or rip and break your popper in any way that you want. Once it's open though, it's going to come out with a ton of confetti and these beautiful little hand-drawn stickers. They've kind of got a beautiful little kind of watercolor feel to them. They are shiny stickers, and you'll notice that those will need to take permanent markers. The other thing that's inside this popper are adorable pink paper clips, and those you can use in any situation, and they are just so sweet. We really hope you enjoy this box with us, and we cannot wait to see what you do with your popper. Here is some of the confetti that snuck out of my popper. This confetti goes everywhere, so just keep that in mind when you're unboxing your popper.